How to solve partitive proportion. So when we say partitive proportion, ibig sabihin nun ay hinahati natin sa magkakaibang size or magkakaibang part. Okay, so let's try this example. Number 1, a wood 120 centimeters is cut in the ratio 2:3:5. Find the measure of each part. So kaya partitive, ayan nga, magkakaiba. Hahatiin natin yung 120 centimeters na wood, magkakaibang size, 2:3:5. Okay, so kasi kung magkakaparehas na size yan, ang gagawin lang natin, division lang. So hinati natin sa tatlo, pero magkakaibang part, so we have 2:3:5. So ang gagawin natin kapag ganito ay maglalat tayo ng variable kahit anong letter na gusto nyo, tapos imumultiply natin dito sa proportion, sa ratio natin, 2:3:5. Kasi ibig sabihin niya, nakamultiply sa same numbers itong 2, 3, at 5. Tapos i-add natin, then equate natin dito sa total na 120 centimeters. So isolve na natin to, find the measure of each part. So ang equation natin ay, let x be the constant of variation. So multiply natin lahat ito sa x, tapos i-add natin. So ang equation natin ay magiging 2x plus, we have 3, so 3x plus 5, so we have 5x equals the total 120. Then just solve for x. So 2x plus 3x, that is 5x, plus 5x, we have 10x. 10x is equal to 120. Then divide both sides by 10. So divide both sides by 10. Therefore, the value of x is equal to, cancel lang natin, yung tigisang 0. So 12/1, that is simply 12. Pero itong 12, hindi pa ito yung final answer natin. Ang hinahanap natin, find the measure of each part. So imumultiply natin ngayon sa 12, itong bawat number dito sa ratio, 2, 3, and 5. So, measure of each part, so we have 2x, 3x, and 4x. So, substitute lang natin yung 12. So, we have yung smallest part natin, 2 times 12, that is equal to 2 times 12 is 24. So, next is 3 times 12, that is equal to 36. And then last part is, this is 5. 2, 3, and 5. So we have 5 times 12, that is equal to 60. So i-add natin para ma-verify natin kung 120. So 4 plus 6, so that is 10, carry 1. 1, 2, 3, that is 6, plus 6, so we have 12. So therefore, eksakto 120 yung total. So yung wood na 120 centimeters, pag kinat sa ratio na 2:3:5, ay magiging 24, 36, at 60. So yan yung centimeters. So ito yung measure ng bawat part ng 120 centimeters. Okay, so itry nyo naman itong number 2. The perimeter of a triangle is 75 centimeters. How long is each side if they are in the ratio 7:5:3? So i-apply nyo lang kung ano yung ginawa natin sa number 1. Comment your answer.